In today's video, I'm going to take you inside the Gemini cryptocurrency exchange, share my best tips on how to use this exchange, and then show you a real-time Bitcoin purchase on Gemini. Hey guys, welcome back. This is Eric of Investing Apps TV, and on this channel we talk investing apps, investing tutorials, and investing principles. So if you're new here today, definitely feel free to subscribe to catch future tutorial videos just like this one. Real quick guys, before I start today's video, I just want to say if you're new to Gemini, feel free to first check out my Gemini review video where I talk about what Gemini actually is and all its features. So if you'd like to see that video first, it's actually part 1 of my Gemini review series. I'll link that video up in the card as well as down in the description below. But if you've already seen it and are ready to hop on to part 2, let's get started with today's tutorial. So here we are now again inside the Gemini cryptocurrency exchange, and I'm going to show you today how to buy on Gemini. So if you want to actually buy, you want to click on buy and scroll down. In this example of today's video, I'm going to buy Bitcoin with US dollars because in my account, I currently have $115.64 available to trade. So I would go over to buy and I would click on Bitcoin USD because I'm buying Bitcoin with US dollars. Now, for example, I wanted to buy Ethereum, I would click on Ethereum USD. But today I want to buy Bitcoin. So let's click on Bitcoin USD, BTC USD, and we are now on the buying page. And again, on the top here, it'll give you a summary of how much US dollars you have available to trade, as well as the latest price, the 24-hour price change, and the 24-hour price range, the lowest and the highest that Bitcoin has been over the past 24 hours. So like I said in my review video, this orange section is all sellers trying to sell Bitcoin, and this blue section is all buyers trying to buy Bitcoin. And as you can see again here, the price range from the far left is around 12,900, and on the far right, the highest is about 13,400. So these are people that all placed in limit orders, and I'll explain that in just a bit, for both sellers and buyers. And again, they meet in the middle to make the actual sale. So what you want to do first is click on order type. Now, there are several different order types, and basically, if you just want to buy at market value, the current price, and you don't want to worry about any limit orders and waiting for anything, you could just simply click on market order and put in how much you want to buy. Let's say I wanted to buy $115 worth. I could click on buy and it would instantly deliver the Bitcoin into my Gemini account just like that. I don't have to worry about much more. Now, the thing with market orders is you don't necessarily get it at the price you see right here because this is the latest price. But again, every 5 seconds, the price is changing. The buyers and sellers middle point price is always fluctuating. So if you just buy at market order, it could be higher or lower than the current price you see. So keep that in mind. If you want to lock in a certain price guaranteed, what you want to do is click on order type and change that to limits order. Now with limit order, you have much more control over your buys and your sells. So with a limit order, I could lock in a price that I want and I will only buy at my price. So let's say, for example, right now the current price is $13,204. Now I just changed it to $209 in real time. But let's say I didn't want to buy till it reached $12,995. So it's about $14 lower from now. I could say I only want to buy at that price. And how much do I want to buy? Well, again, I want to buy $115 worth. And again, it's a very small fee, 29 cents. It's a 0.25% fee, extremely small fee. I could click on buy, and it would then put my order in the queue, and it would not fill until it hits that buying price. Now, before I click on buy, I just want to show you there are a few other order types in here, such as auction only limit, maker or cancel, immediate or cancel, in addition to the market, which is the main default order. Now, those are a little more complicated. I think for most users, for most people on Gemini, either market orders or limit orders are plenty more than enough. But if you wanted to learn more about those different order types, you can always click on what is this blue link right here, and that will open up a help article explaining all the different order types in much more detail. Again, these lower 3 are a little more complicated. Personally, I think you're fine with limit orders to lock in your price. You really don't need the other 3, but if you want to learn more about them, they are available by clicking on that what is this link. It'll explain it in more detail. So let's say I want to buy at 13,000. I'm going to change it now to 13,200, I'll say. And I currently have 115.64. I'm going to do I want to spend the whole thing. So I want to do 35. Okay. So if I put in that I want to spend $115.35, it'll charge me a 29-cent fee, bringing the total to 115.64, which is perfect. Exactly what I have. So now I'm going to click on buy right here. Buy. It's going to ask you're about to place a limit buy order for 0.0087, etc. Bitcoin at a price of 13,200 per Bitcoin. Perfect. So it just wants you to confirm your order. I'll click confirm. Great. Your limit buy order has been placed. Perfect. So now it says I currently have $0 available to trade, but I don't have any Bitcoin either. So where did my money go? Well, don't worry, it's still here in the account. It's just in your open order. It's in the queue basically. So as you could see, it shows my open order was placed a few seconds ago. It gives you a recap, a limit order for this much Bitcoin at this current price, which is the price I want to buy at. And it shows you how much has been filled. You can always click on cancel order right here. That will cancel your order. There's no fees to cancel your order, so you don't have to worry about that. And now I just basically wait until the order is placed. Or again, I could cancel it anytime. So it's really that simple. Likewise, if I wanted to sell some Bitcoin, I would click on sell and click right here, Bitcoin US dollars. Again, you could also click on Ethereum US dollars if you wanted to sell Ethereum. So now I'm just going to wait here for a little bit before the order is placed, and then I'll show you how to actually sell your Bitcoin if you want to sell it as well. And we're getting really close now. The price just refreshed to 13,226 cents. So I'm 26 cents away from my order being placed. So that's pretty cool. This is happening in real time here. All right, guys, so it's actually been a few minutes now. My order hasn't placed. So normally I wouldn't mind waiting and just let it wait out and place at my buying price. But for the purpose of this video, I'm actually going to cancel the order and raise the buying price just so I can show you an actual buy take place. So if you ever want to cancel your order, all you have to do is click on cancel order right here. And great, your order has been canceled. And as you could see, the US dollars instantly go back right up here, available to trade. So like I said, I want to place this order for the video. So I'm going to raise my buying price now. Again, make sure it's set to limit. And I'm going to say, I'm just going to leave it right there so I can show you an actual buy. Again, I want to buy with my full amount. All right. Then again, I would click on buy right here, confirm. Great. Your limit buy order has been placed. And now it's been official. Completed limit buy order for 0.0087, etc. BTC at $13,235.47 for a total of $115.35. So just like that, the order's been placed, and as you can see here, my account value is now in my Bitcoin. I currently have 0.0087 Bitcoin, and if I go back to the dashboard here, I no longer have any US dollar to trade, but I do have Bitcoin in my account, and it also makes up my account value as well. Now, let's say you wanted to sell some Bitcoin or Ethereum. You would likewise click on sell here, Bitcoin for Bitcoin, Ethereum for Ethereum. In this example, I would click on Bitcoin. And it's very similar to the buying process. The page is very similar. It's just kind of in reverse. So again, the orange is all sellers again. The blue is all buyers. And again, they meet in the middle. That's where the sale is made. So again, there are similar types. Market and limit is what I recommend. I recommend doing limit. If you want to do market, if you're a beginner, that's completely fine as well. But if you want to buy or sell at your price, I definitely recommend choosing limit. And so it kind of works the same way, just in reverse, like I said. So let's say I wanted to sell my full amount of Bitcoin. I could actually just copy this right here. I could paste that in there. And again, you can see there's a small fee, very small fee. And I would click on sell right here to place my order. Now, as you can see, the current price is about $13,235. Let's say I didn't want to sell this until the price of Bitcoin reached $15,000. And I would get back much more in US dollar value. I could click on sell right here, confirm my order. You are about to place a limit sell order for 0.0087, etc. Bitcoin at a price of $15,000 per Bitcoin. So I would click on confirm, and great, your limit sell order has been placed. And if I scroll down, it's now an open sell order right down here. And you can leave these orders open as long as you want. Like I said, you can cancel it anytime. But if I just walked away now from my computer, it wouldn't do anything until the price of Bitcoin hit $15,000 per Bitcoin. So if in a couple days from now the price went up to $15,000, it would execute my trade, it would execute my sell, and I would be credited the amount in my cash balance in my Gemini account. So it's really that easy to place a sell order just as well. But for now, I want to keep my Bitcoin, so I'm actually going to cancel this order, cancel, and bam, it's now back in my account. But that's pretty much it for buying and selling on Gemini. As you can see, really, I recommend doing one of those two market orders or limit orders. I recommend market orders if you're a beginner because it's fast and easy. And limit orders are just a slightly little more a step up, complicated, but they're really not complicated at all. It's just buying or selling at your price. It may just take a little longer for the trade to actually go through. And one last thing, guys, if you then want to transfer out your Bitcoin or Ethereum that you just bought on Gemini, it's very easy to do and free as well. So you would click on transfer funds, go into withdraw from exchange. And again, you could withdraw US dollars to your bank if you wanted to, or in my case, I want to withdraw this Bitcoin. I would click on Bitcoin right here because I currently have some Bitcoin in my Gemini account. You would paste in your wallet address from where you want to send this to. So if you want to send this to your Coinbase account or to your hardware wallet or another mobile wallet, you would copy that receiving address, paste it right in here in this destination address box, and you could put how much do you want to withdraw. If you wanted to withdraw your max amount of Bitcoin, you can click on max amount, and it shows you the approximate US dollar value. Again, you would paste in that address right here, the sending address that you want to send to, and then click on review withdrawal. From there, it will process your transaction, and the Bitcoin will be sent to your other wallet, whether it be a hardware wallet or another mobile wallet. And that's basically how you send out the cryptocurrency that you just bought on Gemini to another wallet. As always, I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you would like to see some of my other cryptocurrency exchange and cryptocurrency app reviews, feel free to check out my playlist of those right over here to the right. Lastly guys, if you have any questions about the Gemini exchange and how to use it, feel free to leave those questions down below, and I'm always happy to connect with you guys. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.